Okay, I want to show you how you can use Word to play around with photos and make them awesome. So first of all, grab a photo that you've already taken that you might want to play around with. I'm going to get my Margaret Booker cover, and it's like a JPEG. So grab it and just bring it over to a new Word document. I'm going to make this a little smaller so you can see it. So with the arrows or the handles, grab it here. I just want to make it smaller so you can see it on the whole screen. So double click on your picture, bam, bam, and you should see all these cool menu options come up. And so here's where you can play around with things. Okay, so let's say artistic effects. This is the thing that where you can take a photo and you can really make it very different. You can make it look like this, which is kind of fading it out. And you can make it look like this, which makes it look like it looking through a wet window or water. Artistic effects, one of my absolute favorite effects is this one down here. Bam! Look at that. I mean, it really changes the look. So you can do that, and then you can also go over here and play with some of these also. So I went to artistic effects, and you can hit transparency. I'm grabbing it and pulling it over. So see, this looks like my regular picture, my original picture, and I'm pulling it back down to transparency, smoothness. So that's just another something that you can play with. Or you can click on this one here, which is the graphic one, and this gives you some really fun things. Saturation, I love to play with. I'm taking this over. Look at the picture. Look at how it changes the picture when I move this over. And temperature, that's going to make it more warm and more of a cool temperature. So just imagine that the pictures you're taking, the little characters that you're making, that you could maybe play with some of these features right here. And again, feel free to go back up here to artistic effects and try some other ones. Go to color and see what color does. And you just play around with it to see if you like what it does. And you can play around with it like this. And let's say maybe I want some little blues. Go back here. You can mess around with this stuff. Saturation, of course, will make it closer to black and white. Temperature makes it warmer. That's too dark. I can't even see anything. I don't even like that. So what I'm going to do is go back to the one that I do like, kind of, and then bump it up. Again, play with the different artistic features and effects and see what you like. This really blurs things out. Makes it more, what is that, line drawing type of a thing. Again, feel free to go and play with your saturation to make it more color or less color, your temperature to make it a warmer or cooler. Feel free to go under corrections. Try corrections also. That's going to make it lighter or darker or more contrasty on this side. So you have all of these options to play with and see what you like. I'm going to go back to like the original, basically, or close. It's not that close. But to me, the artistic effects are the first line of defense. That's going to give you some real different looks right off the bat. And this one looks like it's sleeting through. So play with these first. Play with the other sliders over here. Test, all of these different possibilities that you can do. Gradient fill allows you to change some colors. I don't know if that's going to work on this. But anyway, usually this picture icon, the mountain represents a photo icon. And this is the one that I play with most, to be honest. You can, reset anything that you want. Transparency. It just depends on what you like. And here the corrections allows you to make it lighter or darker. That doesn't look any different, does it? So this is a lot lighter. So that's how you can play around with photos that you take to make characters that look awesome. So try it. Let me know how it works for you.